Hey Dynamics 365 users! Welcome to this step-by-step guide to drag and drop email and its attachments from Outlook to cloud storage using Dynamics 365. Before we dive in, ensure that Dynamics 365 is set up in Outlook. With everything configured, let's begin. Start by clicking on the Dynamics 365 button. This will open Dynamics 365 CRM within Outlook. Next, select the entity where you want to perform actions. For this demonstration, we've selected an account named Alex Peter. Click on the ellipsis and choose Attach to Dynamics. This will bring up the Attach to Dynamics UI within your Outlook. To migrate documents from Outlook to cloud storage, just drag and drop files from your email into the Attach to Dynamics UI. Similarly, you can migrate email body content to cloud storage. This feature not only allows you to upload files from Outlook, but also from your local system. Simply click the upload icon in the Attach to Dynamics UI to achieve this. If you need to rename a file, simply select the file and update the file name. To share a document link, click on the link icon followed by the View button. Copy the link from here, and you can easily share it with your clients or colleagues. You can also create a new folder by clicking on the designated button shown here, allowing you to organize and migrate documents from Outlook to your cloud storage seamlessly. To send mail, click on the mail icon and select the option Link or Attachment. This will take you to the Outlook Mail platform, where you can send the selected document or link to the intended recipient. In conclusion, Attach to Dynamics for Outlook is a highly effective tool that enables seamless document management without the need to switch between multiple platforms.